Hello, Algo Traders. So, for this video, we will going to talk all about algorithmic trading. So, what is algorithmic trading? Basically, algorithmic trading is often known as algo trading. This is the process of using computer programs and algorithms to execute trades in financial markets automatically. So, this can be applied in stock market, in forex, in cryptocurrencies, any financial market. Instead of manually entering trades, which can be time-consuming and prone to human error. Traders and investors usually use these algorithms to place orders quickly and efficiently. So, often taking advantage of slight price differences in the market. So, basically, the million-dollar question here is, how does algorithmic trading works? So, at its core, algorithmic trading involves coding a set of instructions or basically rules that a computer can follow to execute their trades. Okay? These rules are based on various criteria such as timing, price, quantity, and other mathematical models. So, these algorithms scan the market for opportunities that match these predefined conditions and then execute these trades automatically when the criteria are met. Okay, so for instance, an algorithm may be designed to work to buy a stock or, for example, forex, to buy a currency pair, or even in cryptocurrencies. When its price falls down or falls below a certain level, and sell it when the price rises above another specific level. So, the algorithm executes these trades instantly, often much faster than a human could. And that's how beautiful algorithmic trading is. Okay, so follow and subscribe for more here at Quantalpha Algorithms for more videos like this. Thank you, Algo Traders. Goodbye.